welcome back to my channel. My name is Darling Anita, and I talk about lifestyle, travel, and of course, fashion. She's sleeping me. Oh well, if this is your first time, welcome. So today I want to show you guys some great finds that I found during the Amazon Prime 2-day, 3-day. Well, it was a Prime event. Let's get going, and enough all this rambling. So, the first item I do want to show you are my slippers. I've been wearing them, you can see, but these are so comfortable. It has the white, like cotton on the inside. It has a little, I don't know what you call these little things at the end. That, you know, like the soles, the bottom of like a shoe. But I just love these little house shoes, footies. Again, they are just so comfortable. Item I want to show you guys is something that deals with, you know, if you want to take care of your face, you know, skincare. And you guys, when I tell you these are the best cloths that you can use when you are washing your face, especially when you have a lot of makeup. You can see that I've already used one. They are so soft. They come in a pack of like 5 in them. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so you can see it. This is how the cloth look. This side is where you would take the makeup off, and this side is the exfoliate side that you can just massage your skin while you are washing your face. Again, you can do this at least once. You can use it at least 2 times. It's machine washable. It's so soft. I tell you guys, when you wash your face, it takes all the makeup off. All you need to do, no soap is required, just water. And this will take all the makeup off your face. This will prevent you going out buying all these wipes, these just constantly buying wipes. This also will prevent you from messing up your good towels, especially the face towels that you use with your significant other in the household. Ladies, this is the perfect item to use when you wear makeup and you want to just wash your face. So I just cannot wait to we can go back out of town, travel. This will be something I will be taking to get my makeup off. I just love these. These are awesome. I think I paid probably like $7.99 for these. But again, like I say, it comes with 5. You can rewash them, keep using them, and again, a great item to use for skincare, to take out makeup, and it will eliminate you using so many towels, etc., and buying all these excess wipes. Okay, another great items, guys, is another facial care product. It is a facial steamer. You guys, when I tried this was the best. I used it, that steam hit my face, I closed my eyes, and I was just like, wow. It was good. You guys, it was a little pricey, but during the Prime, I saved $15, and there was no way that I was going to let this slide. You can see how the steam is just coming out. It just feels so good to your face. And then it opens up your pores that if you do use your moisturizers, etc., it just goes into your skin. Girlfriends, this is one great item to purchase. If you love your skin, if you love looking good, this is something that you need. I do recommend you once a week. Skincare. Love yourself. Do this. This is so needed. Your skin will love you more. It will stay hydrated more. So I will tell you guys, get this. I will have this linked at the bottom for you. And you can put this somewhere in your bathroom in a little corner somewhere. I have it where I have all of my skincare products. This is my new facial skin baby. So I call her Darling Diva. This is a good item, and I do recommend, like I say, you get this. Your skin will love it, and then you keep using it, you're gonna love it more. Okay, guys. Oh, here's another one. Let me show you why I love this. This is, and if you guys work in a warehouse, you have, like I say, these moments, you sitting in the bed, you got a husband like that loves heat, and he has heat over there, and that heat's blowing in your face. Girl, let me tell you, get this bad boy. Let me see where I need my glasses. Put this around your neck. Turn it on. Ooh, it feels so good. Wait a minute, I got something for you. Look. Lights up. You see the light? Yes. Then, now wait a minute. You can turn it higher. See? You hear it? My baby, she hears it. Higher. When I tell you, this is the best. It comes, you do not need batteries, okay? It has its own charger. Just plug it up. Another little extra charger. Your little wipes. And a nice case. So if you're traveling on an airplane, you have these moments. You on a beach, moments. At work, at your desk, moments. This is what you need. Very affordable. I think it was like $27, but it is worth it. I think everybody should have one and go buy it. I promise you, you're going to get your money's worth. I always purchase things. Before I purchase them, I think, will I get my money's worth out of them? Hell yes, you're going to get your money out of this. Perfect. Okay. The next item that I purchased is called Tea Tree Gel. You guys, men too, you don't want to go to bed with ugly, ashy, crunchy feet. This right here is the product. All you need, and I haven't used this because I still already have one. See, look how it looks. Perfect. All you need for 1 foot is just this much. Okay? Now, if you haven't been hydrating your feet, you may need a little bit more, but I promise you, this is perfect. And it smells so good, just like you're at the spa. Yeah. And whoever sleeps with you, they will feel the softness of your feet. So I'm telling you guys, this is a good product. Use it for the second day. You're going to notice that your heel, everything is just soft, and it's just you feel more happy, good about yourself, knowing that I got some soft feet. So this is an awesome find. It was like $7.99, but I promise you, this little small bottle will go such a long way for you. This probably can last you for 1 good month, because like I say, you really just need a little on each toe, on each foot, and just massage it in. Again, girlfriends, take care of yourself. Be the queen that you are. Be that woman. Be that diva. This is the product. The last and final item that I purchased was a nail kit. You guys, during the pandemic, I realized that, hey, I can do my nails myself, save that money, put that money to something more useful that would benefit me. And this is an awesome kit. I'm telling you, inside of the kit, it has your little tools that you would need. And then it also gives you extra little buffers that you can use. So, you know, you can't keep using the same thing over and over again, but you have these that you don't never have to run out. Also, shoot, I feel like I'm at the nail salon with this. It's just awesome. Look at it. It has, you can high speed, low speed. You want to start doing your own nail sale, your own coins, spend them coins on something like a trip where you can go and just have fun. Or you see this outfit that you want, bam, get this, because I love it. And each time that I use it, I'm getting myself more familiar, more knowledgeable on doing my own nails. I look at my nails, I'll be like, oh, I'm getting good. I'm not going to be needing to go to these salons, sitting these long seats, and then you don't know who got what, who ain't cleaning. You don't know if they cleaning them things right. I mean, you see them take it out of the box, but do you know, I know this is clean because it's coming out of my house and it's mine. So, hey, I think I paid like $27, but again, like I said, everything that I have is going to be linked at the bottom for you. So guys, thank you guys so much for staying to the end. If you found that any one of these products that I showed you was worth purchasing, I'm telling you, go for it. I love everything that I have purchased, and I will have everything linked at the bottom for you. Again, if you stay to the end, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like. Go ahead and give your girl a comment. Don't forget to hit that notification button to know that when a new video come up, you will be the first to see it. I do upload every Sunday a new video. Again, thank you guys so much for staying to the end of this video. And again, thank you for subscribing. But before I end this video, I want you guys to know that you are beautiful from the head all the way down to your toes. And know that you are loved. You're loved by me. But most of all, you are loved by God. And I want you to stay beautiful, because no one will know you're beautiful unless you show yourself worth of being beautiful. Again, have a beautiful day. Until the next video. Bye-bye.